Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect Facebook and Discord account. And the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you have your Facebook account already set up and logged in. And this will help you display your Facebook activity and simplify social interactions on Discord. So open your Discord, and once you have your Discord on your desktop, what you will do is go to this gear icon, which is user settings, and then what you will have to do is scroll down a little until you find connections, or you can just actually search for it. So search connections, and then you just click on it. And once you're here, what you will have to do is click this arrow right here which says view more. So go ahead and click that, and then you will look for the Facebook icon. So after that, you will just have to click it again, and then Facebook login window will appear, and then you will just have to enter your credentials, which is your email that you are utilizing for your Facebook account, or your phone number, and your password. And then after you log in with your account, you will just have to review the permissions requested, and then you will click continue, and you will see a connected accounts list showing Facebook. And you can toggle the visibility settings for your server, or your profile. So yeah, you can display it on your profile or display it as your status. So you will basically see these same options if you connect your Facebook. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.